Okay, so after nearly 7 years of ownership on this car, I think it's time to get rid of it and get something else. So I've been looking around at various options. Sad to see this go because I've had a lot of fun with it, but you know, things have to change. So I'm looking at something else. So this is what I've found. Oh, wait. Before I show you what I found, make sure you like and subscribe, because over 80% of people don't like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, it's free, and this is what I got.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop. Another
Bentley Contiental GT Speed. So yes, I know maybe I could have gone for something different, like a Porsche Panamera GT AMG GT63 or something like that, but I thought I'll get another one of these. I saw it. This is obviously a newer version. You can tell the difference with the wheels, larger wheels. The paintwork at first, I thought, you can probably see this, it's hard to tell. It looks a bit white, but it's not. It's almost like it has a bit of blue in it, and it's actually called ice white. So it's not white. I've seen white ones of these and it didn't quite look the same, but this one caught my eye. Never seen this paint finish before. Thought it was wrapped, but it's not wrapped. Thankfully, it is actual paintwork. A little bit dirty because I've already had it for about a couple of weeks. Obviously this is a late 2015 version, so that's why everything is revised. It's got the adaptive cruise control there, license plates popping off there. I think I need to put something more on there. Obviously the lights are updated, LEDs, and 21-inch wheels on these, and the disc's actually a lot bigger as well, and the calipers, you can see, quite sizably bigger. Also they've got the skirts as well on this model. You've got the side skirts, you've got the ones on the front as well, which I've already shown you there. Not too low, wouldn't really get in the way too much. And then obviously moving to the back, you actually do have a proper diffuser from what I can see. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there is a proper diffuser. Obviously they've got the blacked out exhaust tailpipes on this one, not the chrome trim ones. Other than that, what's different? In a nutshell, obviously the interior, which has been updated, and obviously I'll do another video on that as I start figuring everything out. Similar, but the dials are different, the sat nav and other functionalities and features as well. What else? Let's have a look at the engine. Open it the same way. Actually, I don't know how to open the engine on this. Oh, let's try it again. Pull it. You got to lift it. There you go. Okay. Whew, it's hot. So again, this is a W12 version I got. I didn't go for the V8. I'm not into the V8. I think if you buy one of these, then you've got to go OTT. So again, a 6-litre W12 twin turbo engine. Instead of 600 bhp, which is what my last one was giving me, this one does 635. I mean, do I really need another 35 bhp? And then obviously up on the torque as well, around 800 and something. But yeah, all looks straight. I think everything's been checked out. So the important thing is when I got it, I checked it myself for what little I know. And then also I got an inspection done on it as well, because it's really important that you have inspections done on your car. so I paid extra for somebody to do an inspection on it, and thankfully that all came back fine. And inspection, what you've got to realize is it's not just a case of only plugging in the your diagnostic tool in the OBD port. It's also a case of checking everything else, like checking all the panels, the paintwork underneath the car as well, the suspension, and obviously the engine bay as well for any leaks. The problem with these are, as we've seen, a lot of the work involves ripping off the front end in order to access all of the gubbins there. So that's it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if I made the right decision by going Bentley again, or what else should I have gone for. I'm convinced this is the right one, and the color makes it a little bit more unique, so I like that side of things. But let me know what you lot think.